Is there anything that I can do at home to help with my vertigo? It's been driving me crazy. I get asked this all the time, in person, on the internet, and in the calls that I do called discovery calls. My name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin. I help people to remove the blockages in their health so they could lead amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. Vertigo is something that I've been helping people with over the last 5 years all around the world. And one of the things everybody wants to know is, what can I do to get rid of it? Now, there's something I've been introducing to some of my patients that's been really helpful for them, and I want to start teaching it to you too. So this is something that I'll invite for you to do if it doesn't cause you any problems. If you have concerns or restrictions, write down below, and we need to get you to someone who can help you immediately in figuring out what's causing this problem so you can get back to life. Now, these motions and these exercises that I'm going to go through seem real basic, but if you are going through vertigo or you know someone who has, they're not basic at all. So the first one that I want to guide you to do is going to be to say no to someone in your life. And you're going to do that by moving your head from side to side, nice and slowly, at whatever comfortable speed you can, 10 times. Now you're going to wind up doing each of these 3 times a day at least. The next one you're going to do, if you can, without any changes in how you feel, is tilt your head from side to side, nice and slow. The goal for this is to bring your ear to your shoulder, not your shoulder to your ear, 10 times. The last one, which is typically the most challenging for people suffering from vertigo, is you're going to say yes, and that's going to be to bring your head up as high as you can and down as low as you can. Now, these subtle and gentle movements have been shown to create more mobility and control how that brainstem of yours works, and that's a main area that can affect vertigo. If you've been suffering from it and you want to learn more about it, check out this video where I go through the key things to understand in managing your vertigo. If you or someone you know has been suffering from it, be sure to share this video with them so they can get these foundational steps. And if you've got more questions, go ahead and hop on a discovery call so we can get you the answers. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.